Welcome to the Wolver Channel, your passport to crypto legendom. Dare to dream, dare to achieve. Propel your crypto dreams from the realm of imagination to the tangible reality. Shake off modesty, let's forge tokens with an ironclad grip on passion and precision. Within minutes, you'll unlock the secrets of creating your token on any blockchain. Striving novices needed no past experience required, no excuses entertained. Ritus said, embark on these steps with vigor as you elevate your crypto aspirations. Step 1. Remixeth the spark to your quest. Rush to remix.eth and ignite the start of your odyssey. Step 2. Create your token's blueprint, the foundation of your kingdom. Scribe a fresh file called mytoken.sol. That .sol signature paves the way to CryptoCosmos glory. Step 3. Upload your contract code, your roadmap to glory. Don't fret if you're contractless. Telegram is your lifeline. Reach out on Telegram, links provided, and I'll supply the blueprint for victory. Step 4. Assemble the masterpiece of token creation, bringing vision to life. Load Remix. Select the finest Solidity compiler version. Compile that code with the thrilling green light. You're en route to greatness. Step 5. Give your token life on the blockchain, making reality from dream. Synchronize your crypto wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or whichever you fancy, and pick the perfect network for your quest. Fine-tune that gas fee for optimal performance in way. Input these essential token parameters. Craft a name bold as your ambitions. Yoms. Decide on the total supply, shaping your token's destiny. Design an emblem that commands attention. Deploy it and embark on your crypto saga. Final step, own your creator status. You are the chief architect of this token galaxy. Got hold of that contract address? Add the token to your crypto treasure trove. Sovereignty awaits in your crypto universe. Furiat. If these words resonate with you, smash that heart button for the Wolver Channel's passion. Subscribe and immerse yourself in strategies to lead you to triumph. Activate notifications so no groundbreaking insight escapes your grasp. Need the code quick? Act swiftly. Contact Telegram swiftly, snatch your smart contract code into the fray, ready to conquer. Your era shines. Etch your legacy now. Dream bigger than life. The crypto frontier awaits your rule.